On a recent adventure to Stanley, Idaho for some gold panning, photography, and natural hot springs soaking, we found ourselves a perfect little campsite along the Salmon River at the foot of the spectacular Sawtooth Mountains. What we didn't know is that it was the home of a plump and friendly little chipmunk that we soon named Rita and all of her little ones. We had an awesome trip and we will feature some of those adventures in upcoming videos, but Rita the Chipmunk from Stanley, Idaho ended up being one of the most memorable and entertaining parts of this particular adventure. We decided to dedicate a full video to our furry little friend. So if you find yourselves a guest at Rita's bed and breakfast, her favorite treats are peanuts, grapes, and potato chips. Be kind to her and her little ones and she will definitely make your day and put a big smile on your face.
I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night that I felt your feet into your eyes. The black boats, the battles begin now. We race the tide to forget the feeling for a little while. And I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night.